first started coming up, I cut my teeth on singer-songwriters. And Jim Croce was one of my favorites, if not my favorite. And I grew up in Anniston, Alabama. I'd like to throw this out to all my friends from Anniston and Calhoun County. This is called Alabama Rain. Hope you enjoy my rendition. Lazy days in mid-July, country Sunday mornings, dust days on summer highways, sweet magnolias calling. Now and then I find myself thinking of the days when we were walking in the Alabama rain. That's right. Driving movies Friday nights, drinking beer and laughing. Somehow things were always right. I just don't know what happened. Now and then I find myself thinking of the days when we were walking in the Alabama rain. We were only kids then. I've never heard it said that kids can't fall in love and feel the same. I can still remember the first time I told you I loved you on a dusty mid-July country summer's evening. A weeping willow sang its lullaby and shared our secrets. Now and then I find myself thinking of the days when we were walking in the Alabama rain. Yeah, we were walking in